Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy a video and put it as overlay in CapCut. So here I have this 13 seconds long video that I want to duplicate or copy. So if you want to do the same, just click on the clip on a timeline and find the duplicate button. This one, click on duplicate, and now if you want to put it down as overlay, you can just click on the second video or the copied version and click on this overlay option. And now the video is at the bottom. If you want to, you can just drag it so now it's under the first video, the original video. So that's a simple tutorial for me, but I hope it will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. Bye!